Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert PDF to JPG. So first of all, open up your Google browser. On your browser, you have to search for PDF to JPG. Click on the second website. On the website, you have to click on the button that says Select PDF file. Now select the file that you want to convert into JPG. Then click on Open. Once your file is uploaded, click on Convert to JPG. This will take a few seconds, so you have to wait. Once the process has been completed, click on Download JPG images. Now click on Save. Again, click on Save. Now wait for a few minutes until your download is completed. After the installation, you can view the converted document in your photos. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.